Today on Barlow BBQ, we're cooking with cast iron on the pit barrel cooker to make a beef short rib pot roast. Stick around, let's get started. So here is the Dutch oven we're going to use today. This is a Lodge 10-inch Dutch oven. Now the first thing we're going to do in today's cook is smoke our beef short ribs. We're only going to give those just a couple hours. Give them enough time to get a little smoke flavor. And while those are smoking, we're going to go inside and saute up, prep up the other ingredients that are going in the pot roast. And those are going to go in the Dutch oven. And when those short ribs are done getting a smoke, we're going to take those off. We're going to put them in here with all the other ingredients. Set this whole thing right back in the pit barrel. We're going to hang it in the pit barrel and let that cook until everything is done. So the first thing we got to do is get the short ribs on the pit barrel. Now these are boneless short ribs, and we've went ahead and seasoned those with our own ultimate steak shake. We'll have a recipe right down below. If you want to try it out, just click show more on the description box. I've already got the pit barrel fired up, so let's go ahead and get these short ribs on. I'm going to arrange these in the middle, and like I said earlier, these are just going to need a couple hours. We're really looking to give them a little bit of smoke flavor, and they'll cook the rest of the way in the Dutch oven.
Now that those short ribs are smoking, let's go inside and do some sautéing in the Dutch oven. Like most good things, this will start with bacon. We're just going to fry that up until it's all done, and scoop it out and leave the grease behind. We're adding some mushrooms and some salt, pepper, and a little thyme. Speaking of thyme, we're going to fry this up until they're golden. And now we're going to take them out and let them hang out with that bacon.
We've got some melted butter here, so we can add
some cute little onions.
Oh, those are cute little onions.
They sure are.
Let's season those up with some salt and pepper.
And we're going to cook those until they're golden brown, just like that.
Ooh, those look real nice.
Delicious.
So now we can go ahead and scoop these out, and we'll put those with the mushroom and bacon.
We're going to add those later on in the cook.
Next up, we're going to add some carrots, some celery, and a lot of whole garlic cloves. And we'll season those up with a little bit of salt and pepper, just like everything else.
And we're going to saute that up until it gets a nice sear. These look great. Let's deglaze the bottom of the pan with a little wine.
Being sure to scrape up all the good bits from the bottom.
You know it. And now we're just going to add the rest of the bottle. We're almost done. We're just going to add a couple spoonfuls of tomato paste and 2 bay leaves. Let's go back to the grill.
These short ribs have been smoking for 2 hours. Let's check them out. Wow, these are looking awesome. Beautiful color. The rub is really set up real nice. So let's go ahead and take these off, and we're going to put them in the Dutch oven with the wine, the carrots, the celery, and the garlic. Now we're going to add the mushrooms, the bacon, and the onions later on, but we don't want to get those on too early, otherwise they would just turn to mush. So let's go ahead and slide the Dutch oven on here, and I think this looks secure. Yeah, this is going to be great. Let's get this pit barrel covered up, and we'll let this cook for an hour and a half. Okay, this has been cooking for an hour and a half, and it's time to get the Dutch oven off of here so we can add the bacon, mushrooms, and onions. Oh yeah, that's already looking really good. Here goes the rest of the ingredients. Stir everything together, get the lid back on, and it's back to the pit barrel. Now we can get the Dutch oven back on, and let's let this cook until that beef is fork tender. I'm guessing that's going to be another couple hours, so we'll see you back here real soon. It's been 2 hours, and I think it's time to get this Dutch oven off of here, and let's check out to see how everything looks. Oh man, that's smelling good, and it is looking good too. Let's go ahead and check out this beef. Oh, that is super tender. Just cuts through like butter, and looks like everything else is held up real well. So let's go ahead and scoop out a nice big bowl of this, and we'll give it a taste test. All right, y'all, I'm really excited to give this a try. Looks really, really good, y'all. Let's give it a try.
Okay.
All right, here we go.
Wow, sweetie, you did a great job smoking that meat. It's so good in there.
Hey, thanks a lot. That beef is super tender. It's absolutely perfect.
Like butter.
The mushrooms in there are really good. The onions. Sweetie, you did a great job of putting this recipe together, and we will have the recipe for you right down below in the description box, so go check it out. You don't want to miss this one. It's going to warm you up on these cold winter nights. Speaking of cold, we're going to get out of the cold and get back inside where it's nice and warm. So listen, y'all, thanks a lot for hanging out with us today. We appreciate it. We love you, and we're going to say until next time, smoke 'em if you got 'em.
That's right.
Bye-bye.